Welcome to PTEClasses.com. We're diving into one of the most critical tasks in the PTE academic speaking module, Describe Image. As you can see on PTE Classes dashboard, the speaking module evaluates your ability to communicate clearly. The Describe Image task requires you to look at an image and speak naturally. Your goal is to provide a detailed description within a limited time frame. Let's open a practice question. Here, you'll see a timer for preparation followed by a time limit to record your response. Take these few seconds to analyze the key components of the image and structure your response effectively. Once the recording starts, speak clearly and maintain a steady, natural flow. Ensure you describe the image comprehensively without long or awkward pauses. After submitting, the AI instantly provides your results. Here, we can see a detailed breakdown of your fluency, pronunciation, and content scores. Notice the specific feedback provided for areas that need improvement. Let's try another question. Consistent practice is the key to improving your performance. By analyzing AI feedback after every attempt, you can track your progress and refine your delivery over time. The more you practice, the more confident and natural your responses become. Use this feedback to identify exactly where to adjust your speaking style for future attempts. Ready to boost your PTE score? Practice regularly using AI-powered feedback and targeted performance insights.